and welcome back to the F Word. Now it's time for the recipe challenge with internationally acclaimed supermodel, me. Come on in.
OK. What are you doing?
I'm doing a veg curry.
Oh, come on, Joe.
You
For
love a
God's
vegetarian.
sake. Yeah, I do, when they're fast asleep. What? Why are you doing a veg curry?
Well, because if it doesn't taste nice enough, I'll just chop up a vegetarian and put them in.
Now, that I like the sound of. Right, when was the last time you practised the dish?
Oh, about 1947.
Is it a dish made with rationing?
It was, yes.
Right, vegetable curry. Joe's doing a classic. What's the ingredients? Just quickly run through and tell me what they are.
Well, that's an onion. Have you seen one before?
Yes, and something rather scary. You've been in Delia's cupboard. What is that? A jar of what?
That? It's a Balti curry paste.
You lazy bugger. Huh?
Well, what's wrong with being lazy? Just going to chop up some garlic and a bit of ginger and put that in as well.
Joe, to my horror, bought in a curry paste. So easy to make. Coriander seeds, poppy seeds, turmeric, garlic, ginger and chilli powder into a pesto mortar. Then from there, a tablespoon of groundnut oil and then just a tablespoon of white wine vinegar. That forms a really nice paste and is 10 times tastier than any bought in.
How do you know it's really nice?
I know it tastes delicious because I've made it before. You do a lot of cooking at home, don't you? Yeah,
just cooking that is simple and doesn't take very long, so I can go and practice my other hobby, which is being an alcoholic.
So, now, you've got two beautiful little girls, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, Maisie and...
Eliza.
Eliza. Lovely. How old are they?
One's 43 and the other's 2.
Seriously, no, how old are they?
5 and 7.
5 and 7. What do you cook at home?
I do a very nice Haribo stew, which they like. And then I give them chocolate. That's the main course,
Lucky
obviously.
kids, you know, they must love you. On tour, yes.
On
what kind
tour,
of food do you eat?
I like a nice pork pie when I'm on tour, yeah. Anything you can get in a garage that is made by Ginsters always does me a treat.
Do you know what? You just made me feel even more confident about winning, you know that? Huh?
I've browned my onions and then I've put some pepper and some aubergine in. I'm just going to dice up some potato and some cauliflower and bung that in.
Most daunting gig ever was when?
Well, I think it was probably a gig that I did up in Bolton in a working men's club.
Yeah.
And as one, they all shouted, "Fuck off, you fat leather," as I went on.
Sweat the aubergines and the shallots down first. Garlic chilies, take the heat out of them. In with the broccoli and the cauliflower, peppers. Nice.
You know, I trained for the marathon a couple of years ago.
What happened?
Thank Christ I had a virus the week before, so I couldn't do it, yeah.
And all that training...
Or should I say, I shouldn't say Christ on telly, because people get upset. Thank fuck.
Curry paste in, little handful of coriander, rolled up, and just fry off the coriander. Finish with a touch of garlic, some chopped tomatoes. Up to the boil and let it cook out.
What does cook out mean?
Cook it out, let it mellow.
Can I come and have a look at yours?
You can come have a look at mine. Now it's sort of disintegrated and...
That looks like something you get out of a Heinz tin to me.
Joe Brad. Right, we're going to leave both curries to simmer now, come back, and Joe loses. As simple as that. Now, this is the bit I seriously like, side by side. You see, mine looks delicious, and yours looks like it's out of a jar. That's very chefy. Josie, come back with the right result.
Okay. Are you ready? It's very mild though, isn't it?
It's not hot at all.
It's not got a massive amount of flavour to it.
There's a lot more going on there.
It tastes more like how you think a curry should taste as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
A
lot
more flavour.
More flavour.
And it's good aftertaste as well. It's much more of a punch.
Yes. Is it going to be Joe Brand or Joe Bland? Yeah. Who's the winner?
Gordon, you did.
Yes! What was the...
Well, for Joe, the fresh flavours, certainly a bit more overpowering on the coriander, I believe.
Too much coriander.
Those little bits at the end.
I did put half a tree in. Look at your face. You're loving this, aren't you? Do you want to do a little dance on the pass?
Yes!